If there is no red light indicator underneath the window unit 3 to 5 minutes after switching the battery and ignition to the on position, please perform the following power check. The battery fuse link and lead must be intact to properly power the third eye unit. The battery fuse link should be sealed. Removing this fuse will affect the power distribution of the third eye unit and is considered tampering. The red battery wire lead should always be connected while the truck is in operation. Be sure to trace the wire for any damage. The next connection point to check is the power harness on the gateway or underdash unit, as well as its power board connection. Point test the connection and make sure the connection is secure and not loose. This power plug should also be bracketed and sealed. Here is an example of a sealed and secured gateway/power connection. Please note, depending upon the truck type and chassis make, the gateway can be located in the following places: under the steering wheel, in the center console or doghouse, in the overhead compartment, in the dash panel, below the floorboard, or behind the driver's seat. Once the connection points are confirmed and secured, perform a hard reboot.